Welcome back. This ST180 had a Miltech catback and SD induction kit and made 211 bhp on standard software. So we put it on the ramp and fitted the decat pipe and AirTech front mount intercooler. Then it was onto the dyno again to see what difference it made from fitting the decat and the intercooler. An additional 8 bhp and 40 Nm from just hardware upgrades, no software upgrades at this point. We then loaded our software onto the car and then back on the dyno to data log and see where it was set. The customer was hoping for between 235 and 240. The customer asked us if we could add some flames to our Overrun, so we did our best and this is the result.